In order to perform color grading on your video clips, you need to adjust the color profile of your camera to either flat or design a look. This process is not a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather depends on the characteristics of each clip. For example, darker clips require more color grading adjustments, such as increasing the brightness and contrast and tweaking other parameters as needed before applying the soft light blend mode to the duplicated clip. On the other hand, lighter clips may not need any color grading at all, and simply applying the overlay blend mode to the duplicated clip may suffice. The purpose of this process is to enhance the color depth and richness of your video clips by adding a third dimension to them.